Experience the best of the quintessential student life of Brit with Clarence Dock Village. Indulge in the comforts of your contemporary new abode and choose from an array of fully furnished ensuite and non-ensuite rooms that will make you feel right at home. Say goodbye to dull sleeping quarters and say hello to cozy plush beds that will have you reminiscing about lazy Sunday mornings, complete with ample closet space, spotless bathrooms, and sturdy study desks. And if you enjoy cooking, you'll love the modular kitchen that's perfect for whipping up all your favorite meals. When it's time to unwind, head to the communal area and indulge in some friendly competition with your fellow residents. Whether you're into table tennis or foosball, the choice is yours. If you're a fitness fanatic, the on-site gym is waiting for you. And the location, it's unbeatable. Both the University of Leeds and Leeds Beckett University are just a 10-minute drive away, making your daily commute a breeze. And when you're ready to explore the city, the bustling city center is just a 15-minute walk away, filled with world-class restaurants and pubs. Your future is waiting for you at the Clarence Dock Village. Visit amberstudent.com and make this amazing accommodation yours today.